Hi neighbors. The Philadelphia Fire Department is here to help keep your holiday safe and fire-free for your family. Folks, if you're lighting real candles to decorate this year, place them at least 1 foot away from anything that burns, and never leave them alone. 1 in 3 decoration fires start this way, so let's keep the glow safe. Space heaters need space. Keep them at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn, such as flammable decorations. 2 in 5 fires involve space heaters being too close to something that can burn. Let's keep peace of mind and give some space. Remember to give those cords a quick look. No fraying, no overload outlets. Swap out anything that's sketchy right away. Following these safety tips will help ensure your lights remain bright all season long. If you have a real Christmas tree, remember to water it every day. Keep at least 3 feet away from anything that can burn or have your tree catch fire. And keep your tree out of the doorways. When your lit branches start to dry out and break, it's time to get rid of your Christmas tree. Safety first for the kids and grandkids. Stick to toys and gadgets with that UL, ETL, and CSA stamp. They're tested to help keep your home safe. When it comes to charging your devices, make sure you're always charging with the cord that the device came from. Always charge on a hard, flat surface and unplug as soon as it is fully charged. You never want it to overheat. When it comes to e-bikes and e-scooters, keep them outside, away from your house and any building. They become extremely dangerous when they're overheating or if they're overcharged. When it comes to smoke alarms, make sure you have 1 working alarm on each floor of your house and that it's powered by lithium-ion batteries. If it's older than 10 years, replace it. If you need alarms, call 311 and we'll install them for you. A quick check keeps the holiday season going. From your friends at the Philadelphia Fire Department, PSTV, and the School District of Philadelphia, have a safe and happy holiday season.
PSTV is the place you wanna be, and the place you wanna be is PSTV. TV.